Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a eye look. So I'm not going to take you guys through all the steps of my face. There's not really much that's changed, so I didn't think we needed to have a really long video. But I'm going to talk you through what I've done with my eyes. So for this I've done a lot of kind of like it's actually a pink color, and then it's smoked out with orange, and it's come out this gorgeous kind of purple once you mix all the colors. So I've used my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette for this look. I just wanted to give a quick shout out as well to my gorgeous necklace here from the Peach Box, so I will link them below. I will also link below how I curled my hair. I don't have a video on how I did this, but I basically curled it and put it in a ponytail. So if you want to see how I achieved these curls, I'm going to link them in the description box below as well. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So I've already started by priming my eyes with my MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and I've also set that with my Maybelline setting powder in the colour Light. Grabbing my ever so clean Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to jump into the colour Burnt Orange, and I'm going to put that on my Morphe M513 brush. So basically I'm just taking this and I'm putting this into the crease. This is the colour I'm using to transition out the rest of the colours. So this is the transition shade I'll be using. As the transition shade, this will also be the one that goes highest up. Taking my Zoeva 227 brush, I'm just going to jump in and take that deeper colour Realgar and go onto the same area where I put my transition shade, not going up quite as high, and I'm just going to make sure I really deepen that up. I'm then going to go back and take the Morphe brush again and just go over the top to make sure it blends, and then jump back into the Zoeva brush and darken it up. So I'm really making sure I blend properly as I go. Using my Zoeva 231 brush, I'm going to use the dark brown colour Cypress Umber, and I'm going to start deepening the outside V of my eye, so getting that real depth happening. Literally all I'm doing now is grabbing the brush that had Realgar on it and just making sure I blend that top part out. I also grabbed a clean fluffy brush to make sure everything was so blended. Reaching for my flat brush from MAC, the 230 brush, I'm jumping in with the absolutely gorgeous colour Love Letter, and I'm going on and covering the lid of my eye. Now because my eyes are hooded, I am making sure that I do go quite high, otherwise when I open my eyes, all my work just disappears. I'm using another clean flat brush and a little bit of Fix Plus, also known as Magic Water Spray, and taking the colour Antique Bronze. I'm using this to transition Cypress Umbra and Love Letter, and then I'm also going to go in and deepen up a little bit of Love Letter as well with the original brush. So really going back and forward until you're happy. And darkening that outer V a tad more as well. I'm using my Morphe M574 brush, but to be honest, I'm using this because it was clean. So grab any brush, I mixed the colours Vermeer and Tempera, and I just highlighted underneath my brow bone. And with that, let's move on to the eyeliner. So for this, I want to do a nice wing to keep the drama going. So I've grabbed my new Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner in the Dagger. So I've usually got the tattoo liner, but the normal one. The Dagger, as you can see, has kind of like a long edge, so it makes making a wing a lot easier. Or at least I found it easier, put it that way. So I like to start now on the top of my eye and just do it without a wing, and then line up the wing and then thicken it up. That's the method I've been using to make my eyeliner work for me. I have very hooded eyes and it can be hard to work with. So I'm going to really make my eyeshadow pop now. I'm getting Love Letter with a little bit of Fix Plus and really fixing it up. Then grabbing a fluffy brush and making sure all those edges are blended. So let me quickly do my face and then we'll get to underneath the eyes. Using my Estee Lauder eyeliner, I'm going to be tight lining underneath my eyes, then grabbing the same brush for Love Letter and really smoking it out. Grabbing my Zoeva 238 brush, I'm taking Cypress Umber, and I'm also going underneath my eyes, but not as far down as I've gone with Love Letter to give it that gradient look. At some point as well, I used the Vermeer and Tempera combo to pop the inner corners of my eye. I just could not find the footage for that. Just going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and then of course setting my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Moving on to lashes, I'm so excited to be using my new Lily lashes in the style Mink. This is the first time I'm using them. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I hope you guys enjoy how it turned out. It was probably a little more purple than I thought once all the colors blended, but I'm so happy with how it turned out. So I hope you guys are as well. If you did enjoy this, don't forget to give me a
thumbs up, and I am late. So until next time, bye.